The Joker has come to Metropolis tired of Gotham and Batman. He wants to see if he can scare the people of Superman's city. We find him on the roof of the Daily Planet where he announces that bombs are hidden all over Metropolis and only he knows where they are. It's a challenge to Superman. Superman shows up a few seconds later. The Joker immediately starts mocking him, calling him boring and saying his suit is lame. Superman doesn't react, thinking Joker is just a clown trying to get attention. Joker explains that the bombs are scattered across the city and Superman will have to stop them. He rambles about his past, saying he's done many terrible things but isn't sure what he'll do next. He just wants to have fun. He throws in more insults about Superman's costume, even making a joke that actually gets Superman to laugh. The Joker doesn't like someone is laughing at him, especially Superman. Superman points out it's odd for a comedian to hate making people laugh, frustrating the Joker even more. Joker tries talking about Batman, spinning a wild story about how Batman kidnaps homeless people and turns them into villains. Superman, bored, cuts him off and says he's not very funny. Now angry, the Joker decided to detonate the bombs. Superman warns him it's a bad idea, but Joker thinks he's bluffing. In a flash, Superman disappears and reappears having found all the bombs. Joker is stunned. Superman explains that the bombs emitted a sound he could track, and he was only stalling until he located them. With no danger left, Superman tosses the bombs at Joker and tells him to go ahead and set them off. The Daily Planet and the streets below are empty, so Superman doesn't care. Joker insults him again, calling him bland. Superman counters that being unpredictable keeps people guessing. To end things, Superman uses his heat vision to destroy the bombs, startling Joker. He warns him not to return to Metropolis and hints he might not hold back next time. Joker laughs it off, saying Superman won't kill him and compares him to Batman, who has no kill rule. Superman corrects him, saying he doesn't have a no kill rule, he just chooses not to kill. But for Joker, he might make an exception. Joker's laugh fades quickly as Superman roasts him, calling him a boring, generic villain in a clown suit who hurts people for no reason. Superman grabs Joker, calling him pathetic and telling him to leave Metropolis. Later, the Joker surrenders to the police, muttering that Metropolis is too boring for him.